Hi, this is Leah Heskett with Gimkit. This is a gaming program. It works super well with Quizlet, so it kind of takes it up a notch to where the students can earn money for answering questions. So I'm going to log in with my Google. I've played it once with this ancient Rome. The student engagement, they loved it. They actually asked, "Are we really earning real money?" No, kids, you're not, but they were so into it. They can earn money, and they can also shop with their money and buy power-ups. They can freeze other players. They can get streak bonuses. So once they figure that out, it's like game on. But yet they can't see how they are ranked against each other. So they kind of have to, it's kind of a guessing game. But they loved it. The best thing is, like I said, this is with Quizlet. So I'm going to type in chapter 13, Rome. Whoops, capitalize Rome there. And I go to Quizlet. And you can do it from scratch or from CSV files. So I'm just going to choose, I think I'll choose that one. And I will choose my set and see it opens up and it's already in my account. So I have chapter Rome and Christianity right here. Now what you do, it'll tell you in Create a Kit what to do. So if you hit next, and then it has this wonderful little tutorial here. Export, you go to export, copy text, hit next, and then you're going to copy it and paste it into here. So that's what I will do. I'll go here. Sorry about that. Go here, export, go down, copy text, copy, and now I'm going to go back here. And if I hit paste, look at that. It's all done. And there is my Rome, my other Rome quiz. So then if I want to open it, here it is, and you can go through and look at all the vocabulary and their definitions. And then to play, you can play either as an assignment or you can play live. And you can play with team mode. My students tried to find the different stones. You have to buy the stones. They were definitely engaged with that. We'll just play the classic mode real quick so I can show you. Let's see. So click on classic. And you can have time. You can have how long it takes, class number. You can enter their names. So I just quickly entered my student's name. I'm not going to do that right now because my name's not in there. Starting cash, handicap, you can't let them go below $50 in the hole. So that's kind of nice. They can see their answers after they have it. After they answer, if they got it wrong, then they can see the correct answer, which helps a lot because the students want to earn money. So they just kept going and going, and they were learning the vocabulary because they were excited about it. This was just lots of fun for them, but yet they were learning as well. So to play this, you have to go, the students just put in gimkit.com/play, and then they enter the code. I'm trying to get this going on my phone here so I can show you just a little bit. And they could put in their names, or you can have it where you're already in. So here I am. I'm in. So now I can so there, I got an answer right, so I earned $1. I'll get another one. And it'll just keep going. And so you can keep track and see how students are doing. The great thing about this is when they're all done, you can see which questions they had trouble with and which ones they did not. So then you can know how to tailor your lesson from there. So I'm just going to quit that game real quick so you can hear me, but it will show you how they did. If I go to reports, posted 3 days ago, and this was just my husband and I playing, so I could figure it out, but it'll give you the final balance, the breakdown of the questions for the whole class, and I believe individual reports. So there's my stats, and then also my husband's stats. So that's pretty cool that you can get all those stats from this game. And I just love that it is connected to Quizlet, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. The ITSE standards would be Student Standards, Student Empowered Leader or Learner. 1C, students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice and to demonstrate their learning in a variety of ways. So I would say, actually that would be C, and then also B for ITSE Teacher Analyst, use technology to design and implement a variety of formative and summative assessments that accommodate learners' learning needs, provide timely feedback to students, and inform instruction. So I think that this is great because you know right away, they know right away. It's just a very cool game that I've not seen before. So go ahead and try out Gimkit.